Example number 1.
Identify the center and the radius of the circle whose equation is x squared plus y squared minus 6x minus 4y minus 3 equals 0. Then graph. Solution. Step 1. Copy the given. Next, rearrange the term so that similar variables are next to each other. And then, we isolate the constant. Now, do not forget to change the sign when you transpose your constant to the other side of the equation. So, negative 3 becomes positive 3 on the other side. Next, group the terms with similar variables. Next step, make each quantity a perfect square trinomial. How do we do that? Simply take the coefficient of the second term and then divide it by 2. So negative 6 divided by 2, so we have negative 3. After that, we square the result. So negative 3 squared equals 9. So we add positive 9 to complete our first perfect square trinomial. We will do the same on the other quantity. So again, we take the value of the second term and then we divide it by 2. So negative 4 divided by 2 is equals to negative 2. Then we square it. Negative 2 squared is equals to positive 4. Therefore, we will add positive 4 to complete our second perfect square trinomial. Copy the constant. Now, since we have added positive 9 and positive 4 to the left-hand side of our equation, we will do the same to the other side to keep our equation balanced. Next, we factor our perfect trinomial square. So x squared minus 6x plus 9 can also be written as x minus 3 times x minus 3. And y squared minus 4y plus 4 can also be written as y minus 2 times y minus 2. Now, how did we get this? Simply get the square root of x squared and 9, and then follow the sign of the middle term. The same thing with the other quantity. We get the square root of y squared and positive 4, and then we take the sign of the middle term. Last step, write the factors as square of binomials. X minus 3 times x minus 3 can simply be written as x minus 3 squared. And y minus 2 times y minus 2 can also be written as y minus 2 squared. Presto! You now have your equation written in the standard form. Now you can identify now your center and your radius. So looking at our equation, we understand that the center is at positive 3 and positive 2. And our radius is 4 units. Now we are ready to graph. Again, we locate first our center. X coordinate is positive 3 and the y coordinate is positive 2. Locate where they meet. There you are. Now, using our radius, Let us identify 4 points on the circle. Connect all the points. There you have it. Your circle with center at point 3 and 2 and with radius of 4 units.
Okay, that's it. That's how we graph a circle when given its equation in the general form. In my next video, I will share to you how to write the general equation of the circle when you are given its center and its radius. I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!